Hello everyone! Today I'm going to explain or to discuss how our body synthesizes alanine, which is one of the non-essential amino acids. So, before we start, what is non-essential amino acids? So, it doesn't mean that alanine is unimportant. Ang meaning lang niya ay kayang i-create ito ng ating katawan or our body can produce this on its own at hindi na kailangang kunin pa sa mga pagkain na kinakain natin. So, how does our body make alanine? First, ay nangyayari ito sa process or sa reaction na tinatawag na transamination. So now we're going to talk about the transamination or the reaction na nangyayari para masynthesize ng ating body ang alanine. So the first step is, kunwari ito mga carbohydrates. Let's think of this as a rice and as a bread. So kapag nagbe-breakdown yung carbohydrates na yan, ay mapupunta and magka-create ng mga molecules and magiging pyruvate. You can think of pyruvate as a building block or it is waiting to become something else. So, ayan, parang building block. And after that, another molecule ay magkakaroon and it is called glutamate. Nagdodonate siya ng amino group which is made up of 1 nitrogen and 2 hydrogen atoms to pyruvate. So, nagdodonate siya dito ng isang nitrogen at hydrogen. Okay? Then, this transfer is made possible by an enzyme called alanine or aminotransferase or ALT. So, at the same time, yung glutamate ay naglulus pa. Glutamate ay naglulus pa ng another amino group na nagtuturn into another molecule and it is called alpha ketoglutarate. So this is the alpha ketoglutarate. Ayan ang example ng alpha ketoglutarate. So, in simple terms, ang transamination or ang reaction na ito ay nasabi natin in simple term na ang pyruvate plus glutamate to alanine plus alpha ketoglutarate. Wait na po to. And this is an example of transamination reaction where an amino group is transferred from one molecule to another. Now, why alanine is important? So, alanine plays an important role in glucose-alanine cycle. So, kapag yung muscles natin ay active during tayo nag-exercise, ay nagpo-produce sila ng alanine at sinasend nila through bloodstream papunta do sa liver. So, yung doon sa liver, yung alanine ay kino-convert pabalik sa pyruvate, which can be used to make glucose. Tapos yung glucose ay sinesend back sa muscles para makapag-provide ng energy. At yung cycle na yun ay nakakatulong din sa pag-transport ng mga excess nitrogen safely to the liver. At where it can be removed from the body as urea. So, sa ating araw-araw na buhay, yung process na ito ay mahalaga kasi nga na help niya or na-maintain niya yung ating stable blood sugar levels. At nagpa-provide din siya ng energy during nag-exercise tayo or nagfa-fasting or nagsusupport siya ng normal protein metabolism. At yung mga doktor din ay nagme-measure ng enzyme ALT sa mga blood test. At yung high ALT levels na may ini-indicate siyang liver damage kasi nga yung mga enzyme is normally nakikita lang siya sa loob ng ating mga liver cells. So, for our summarization, yung alanine is a non-essential amino acid which means nagagawa ng ating katawan at hindi na natin kailangang iasa pa ito sa mga pagkain na tinitake ng ating katawan. And it is synthesizes through transamination. Gaya nga ng na-explain ko kanina, yung ating steps sa transamination. Then, pyruvate receives an amino group from glutamate with the help of the enzyme alanine or aminotransferase or ALT. So, this produces alanine and alpha ketoglutarate, and alanine helps transport nitrogen and support energy production through the glucose-alanine cycle. Gaya lang ng ka-explain ko kanina. That's all, and sana may naintindihan kayo. Thank you!